Good morning. Did you just fart?
No.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing something actually so exciting, and it was on my vision board this year, and it's literally January 4th, and I'm already locking in to get into my vision board, and I'm really excited. Oh my god, that is so uneven. Today is day one of my first module of my Pilates instructor training. I decided that this year I really wanted to become a mat instructor. Ideally, I'd love to become a reformer instructor as well, but the courses are very expensive, so this is kind of all I can afford right now. So today is the first module. There's 4 in total, and each one is 2 days long, so 16 hours. Today we are doing the foundation of movement principles, I'm pretty sure it's called. I read through everything that I need to. It is currently 8:30. We just came back from Starbucks. The class starts at 9:30 and it's online via Zoom. You can do it in person or online. The in-person one is in Victoria, so it's further away from where I am. I live in Vancouver, and I think I'm gonna go in person for the second module and the last module, just so I can get that hands-on experience. But for now, we are doing it via Zoom. I have everything set up in my corner here, everything that they required, and then I have my iPad for taking notes, and obviously my laptop for being on the Zoom call. But I'm gonna eat breakfast and get ready, and then I will touch base when we are jumping on.
Could you lift the bottom leg up to squeeze and touch the top leg? Wow! And relax all the way down. Good job.
Ooh, the lighting is not great, but we are on our lunch break now. I am making some mac and cheese because it's literally so easy, and then I'm gonna try and light a fire if I have time. We have an hour, so I should have time after eating. I also have some cottage cheese as well that I'm gonna add in to boost up the protein. But yeah, so far so good. It's a lot of anatomy, which I'm really comfortable with because I did a lot of anatomy and physiology courses during my university degree, so pretty comfortable with what's going on. And we did a short little class, which you probably saw little bits and pieces of. It was just kind of getting to know the alignment within our body, which was really useful because everyone's like neutral alignment is so different. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my lunch, and then I think we're going into like breakout rooms on our Zoom call, so that should be lots of fun. We just ended day one. It is 5:25, so we ended like an hour earlier just because we were able to get through a lot of the material, or like all of the material for day one. We start again at 9:30 a.m. so I'm honestly just going to relax, decompress, kind of let my brain absorb all that knowledge that I just learned, because honestly there was like so much. And then yeah, tomorrow we're doing upper body, lower body, and I'm really looking forward to that, kind of getting the beginnings of moves and routines and how to structure that. So yeah, I am just gonna take it easy, and I will check in tomorrow. Day 2, I'm just waiting to be added to the Zoom right now. We are currently just on a quick bathroom and water break, and then we're moving into our first workout of the day. I'm looking forward to moving my body a little bit because I'm so sleepy, and we've just been sitting for the past hour and learning, and I'm like falling asleep a bit. So I'm excited to kind of get some movement going, and then honestly I might have another coffee after this workout because I'm so sleepy today. But it is a Sunday, so that's probably why. But yeah, gonna get to working out soon. Okay, please ignore my appearance, but it is 2 weeks later from the movement principles course, the first module, and I actually like literally an hour ago finished the second module, which is mat 1, and I just wanted to give you a little update. So far so good. I'm loving it. It was 2 days this past weekend, again similar to the first one that we did. My body is so sore. I'm so tired, but I feel like I learned so much about like where Pilates is rooted and based from, and I'm really excited to start teaching and start completing the practice on my own time. Mat 2 isn't for another like month or so, but I'm really looking forward to completing all of my courses. But between now and then I need to do 7 hours of teaching and 7 hours of my own practice. So definitely a journey. I also just got a full-time job, which I'm really excited about, but I have a lot kind of going on in my world and on my plate right now. So this has been a good way to kind of like ground myself and recenter and kind of like work through any anxiety that I'm having just like through movement in my body, which sounds kind of weird, but that's what got me into Pilates in the first place. But yeah, so far so good. If you have any questions about the process, I'm more than happy to answer to the best of my abilities. You can let me know in the comments. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. My goal is to post twice a month. But yeah, see ya.